Hi everyone, my name is Walid and I am a civil engineer. Today I'm going to show you how we can import the SHP files, shape files into the Civil 3D. Uh, so workaround how we have to we have to do surface flooding or different purposes. So in this video I am going to take the surface flooding data from the DEFRA, and then we are going to see how we can import that into the Civil 3D. So let's get started. And I have found this site here in the grid reference finder, and we can you can use these details to get our data. So I will first go into the Civil 3D and then try to have these easting and northings. So point, and then we will enter this one, five three zero seven one seven. So 530717, comma, then this one 141771, 141771, enter. Zoom extent, and then we have this point here. Select this one, P type. We are going to change our type. I think it looks very big, so I'm going to do is set size in absolute units, maybe 20. Okay, now going to insert the satellite image using the Bing Maps. So insert and then set location from Bing Maps. Here I am going to copy the latitudes and longitude and then paste it into this map. Search. So drop the marker here. We don't have to do anything else. So click next. Now we are going to select our coordinate system. In England I am going to use this one, USGB 1936 27700. So this is already selected for me. So next, and then I am going to snap on the midpoint on the node, and then specify the north. Just click enter, and yeah, so this is our site. And what I am going to do is to draw a rectangle so that we can capture the screenshot of the map. We don't want the full map, so just draw the rectangle here, like uh, something like rectangle. We can use like this one, and then go to the geolocation, capture area from this to this, and switch off the map. So we can say let's say this is our site area, to where we need to import our surface water flooding data. So now we will going to go to this one, environment data. This is the DEFRA website where we can download the ESRI Shapefiles. So first we have to locate our site here, and what I am going to do is try to use grid reference, if that works. No, I don't think so this works. Maybe try latitudes and longitudes. Yeah, I think we are nearby. So this is the site somewhere here, because we have this interchange and towards the top right side. So this is the site. So what I am going to do, click downloads, and then full data set. No, we are going to draw a polygon and then draw a polygon. So let's say we can have it for like this one a little further, and then double click. I think that's fine. So file format is ESRI Shapefile. You have other options, just go for the ESRI Shapefile. So download file. It will take some time to download. So once we will download it, we are going to import it in our Civil 3D. I am just going to move it to the folder surface flooding SHP. So we have to extract this one. Okay, so we have this folder here. Now go to the Civil 3D and use the command map workspace. Yeah, map w space, turn on, enter, and then data, and we are going to connect to the data, and here it should be SHP. So we are going to name it. First we click on this one, SHP icon next to the folder, so you can click this one, and then we are going to the saved file, and then so you have different data that you have downloaded, for example 0.2 meter, 0.3 meter depth. I am going to use this one, surface water polygon, so this will have all the information here. So I'm going to quickly copy this one as well. I will copy the name as well. So and then click this one, open, and change the name to this one, that which one we have copied here. Click connect, and then we have the units, meters. We have working in the coordinate system is British National Grid. Yes. So click on the add to map. So it imported a lot of data that's outside our solid boundary, but that's fine. And then just click close. Now this is showing all the green, so I'm going to change this one so that we have some low risk, medium risk, and then the high risk, and every risk category is in different color. So double click on, just right click, and then we are going to change the style, new theme, and from the property we are going to use the risk band. So this one is high to medium. You can just leave it as it is because we have number of rules, 3. So low, medium, high, so we are going to use those numbers, and we are going to change the style. Yeah, this is the fine. And then create feature labels. We can make the feature labels as well. Okay, now let's say we have, just delete this one, create the new one, and then text, we remove this one. We want the risk band here, Arial text size, this one, fine. We will say, let's say okay, and then okay. So we have this here, but now I'm going to change the colors of how we want the risk band. High means we want dark green, so you have to click on this one, the color style, and then you have the top one is the border, and then if you will click this one is the fill area, so the color of the fill area. So, and then click here on the fill and going to select more colors and index colors, and this is the high risk. So for the high risk I will go the darker one, let's say this one, apply and then close. And then for the medium one I am going to go the same, follow the same procedure, just change the color to a little, maybe this one 140. And then for the low risk I can go for little different as well. You can play around with these colors whichever suits you. There is no like one size fits all policy here. So yeah, so now we have like this one is the low risk, then the high risk, and then the medium risk. I am going to delete this one, this and this one is low medium. I am going to push high one to this one, so you can see low medium high and then low medium high. And so yeah, and just close this one. So this way you can and then I can change the p type a little bit smaller. So we have this one, and our surface flooding our shapefile into our drawing. And for example, if you want to create the legend into the layout page as well, what you can go is into the layout page. So create the viewport, rectangle viewport, click here to here, and then we can adjust this one. So this is the surface flooding that our site is showing. And then we can create is the legend, what these points, what these colors representing here. So I am going to, when you are on the layout tools tab, you can see this legend, and then you can click on the legend and click on the viewport, and then click anywhere where you want to paste it. So you have this one, you can see low, medium and high risk. You can edit this one. I am going to select this one, scale it, let's say a little bit like this, move, and then you can remove the tabs. Like say I am going to delete the row, and then also going to delete this row, and you can name it, for example this one is, name it legend. So this is your legend showing the areas which for example this one is low risk, then this one is medium risk, this one is the high risk. So you can have your surface water shape files into your Civil 3D, any type of shape file. For example, if you have flood zones, you have surface water flooding, or any other kind of shape files you want to import into the Civil 3D, this is the procedure that you can follow. So it's the same. I just use the surface water flooding. Maybe you can use flood zone 2, flood zone 3, and then import them into the Civil 3D. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions, anything, just write in the comment section below. Thank you. See you in the next video.